Amplifier rack and battery rack part 2. Let's do this shit!
Guys, so we got two DC5Ks, half power right now. We got one of the amp racks all ready to go. We got fans under there. And then over here we got the second one. It's going to be a little different because you're going to do an inverted or the amp backwards to show off the guts. So we got to use shredded rod for this one. As you can see, we got fans also just to keep it cool. Even though the guts are going to be on top, it'll still cool it from the bottom. Nice cool air. And here's the amp rack. This is where the other one will be on. This is going to be on the back wall, like this. And it'll just screw onto there. So I'm just getting these ready, and then once these are ready, I'm going to take them off and then cover it, and put them on again. And then, so this will screw onto two 2x4s, and then the 2x4s will go onto the back of the wall. So right now we're just drilling out the holes for these. We already got them plotted out, and yeah, we're just gonna make these stationary so they don't move. We'll maybe some tape under there. That way, when the amp's on and we screw it in, the vibrations won't like undo these and it'll fall off and shit. Happened to me in the Talon and shit, but. So we're going to try to prevent that this time. So made this hole for the fans, so when that board that's in there with the fans on, it will just sit flush, and the fans will be under there, sucking up air from the top. And then, yeah, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so here's how this came out. Pretty self-explanatory, real easy to do. So I just bought these bolts already cut. I think they were 3 inches or 2.5, something like that. Fits perfectly. Got one sheet. So now that it's prepped, I'll just go test fit it in the car. Screw it down, make all the holes that I'm gonna use. Once that's done, I can wrap it, make it look nice, and then put it in. And then all this, I'm gonna pre-wire it when it's off of this, and then once it's all wired up, all semi-tuned, I'll just go ahead and put it on. So these little 4 bolts that hold it on, these are already going to be on there. This will be on there, and that's it, guys. And this is going to come off too. I got some plexi ordered to show off the guts, obviously. So this will be on the wall. You won't see this part. All you'll see is the guts. That's pretty much it. Alright, YouTube. Got another unboxing from Sky High Cardio. Ordered this shit about 2 hours ago. It's already here. Got it on that jet plane shipping. So be sure to hit up John Rabe at Sky High, skyhighcardio.net, or email me and I'll hook you up. Any products you need. Some more goodies that I needed for the build to get it finished. Building these motherfuckers. So we got some cutters. Finally, for some up to 4/0. You can cut anything else. It's sharp as fuck. We got a bunch of 2/0. So check these out. Alright, guys, let's get to it. Guys, you can see in the background I have the two pieces for the amp racks all wrapped up. The one on the right is for the battery rack. I made a hole with some plexi so you can see the batteries from the back, so you can see all the wire and stuff. And on top you can see the hole for the fans to go through and for the wire to go through. So, alright guys. So you can pretty much get this plexi at any website. I forgot which one I got it on, but you gotta cut the size, get any thickness you want, and you're good to go. Alright guys, here we have the two DC Audio 5Ks. Got one brand new, so it's about maybe a month old. We got some plexi on there now. We're venting on deck. Let's take that one out. Alright, YouTube. We got all brand new amplifiers. Got two 5Ks and two 90.4s. So let's go put these bad boys in and make some noise. Alright guys, the amps are in. Let's get a wire with a speaker wire. So got the master right here, the slave up there. Let's do it. Alright YouTube, so like always, I'm always in a rush before a show. I was going to get ready for Paris, so this is how it turned out. This is how I went to Paris. I want to go pick up 4 batteries there, along with competing and hanging out with the BassHeads. I got 4 more batteries from Kevin. Gave me a good deal on them, so I picked them up. So yeah guys, pretty much how it's looking right now. It just has more batteries now, and I did the little side pieces. And here it is with all the batteries in, and yeah guys. So I did put the side pieces on and covered those, so it's looking cleaner now. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the amp rack and the battery rack build. Once I get more power, more amplifiers, I need to add more batteries, so it's gonna all get changed up later. But for right now, it's doing great. Half power, sounding awesome. So I'm gonna get the rest of the video guys out for a Motorama, all the demos I got, and then I'll start putting some demo videos I got at Paris. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys,
Peace out and drop the bass.
Oh!